How to change phone theme or a default phone theme on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung device. Here you can see the by default set this theme on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. So if you want to change the default theme, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. At the bottom you can find the themes option. Tap on it. Now here you can see the list of different available themes. Now tap the top. Now you can see available different theme. Here you can see free, paid, different theme. So select the drop down box and select the free option. So here you can see the list of available free themes. Now apply the theme you want on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other device. So here we select this theme. Now here you can see how it looks icon or background on your Samsung device when you apply this theme. Now scroll down, tap on a download button to download theme on your device. Here you can see same different themes but available in paid. So wait until download is complete. Now when complete, tap on the apply button to apply the theme on your Samsung device. So here you can tap on the apply button to apply theme on your Samsung device. Now apply theme on my Samsung device. Now you can see totally change your home screen app icon. Also you can see change the app drawer background color or app drawer application icon symbol. Also change in the folder color on your device. So this is the very easy to change theme on your S25 Ultra. If you want to get back the default theme again, tap and hold the black space on home screen. Tap the themes. Tap on a menu at the bottom right corner. Tap on a my stuff. Here you can see the theme option. Now set the default option. Now tap on apply to set the default theme on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung device. Now applying theme and you can get back your original theme on your Samsung device. That's it. They like it, share it.